In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a form in Zoho Forms. Whether you're looking to create a similar form or just want to use an existing form as a template, duplicating forms in Zoho is a straightforward process. Let me guide you through it. First things first, open up your browser and go to zoho.com/forms. You'll need to log in with your Zoho account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the forms you've previously created, neatly displayed in front of you. This dashboard is your starting point for making any changes or updates to your forms. Now, let's move on to locating the form you want to duplicate. Scroll through your list of forms until you find the specific one you want to replicate. Don't worry if you have many forms. They're organized to help you easily navigate through them. Once you've found the desired form, focus on the right-hand side of its name. You'll spot a three-dot menu icon, also known as the Overflow menu. This is where you'll access more options to manage your form. Click on that three-dot menu to reveal a drop-down of actions you can perform with that form. From the list you see, find and click on the Duplicate option. When you select this, Zoho Forms acts promptly to create an exact copy of your form. This duplicated version includes all the fields, settings, and any rules you might have applied to the original form, ensuring you don't have to start from scratch or reconfigure settings. The newly created copy will now appear in your forms list, typically under a name like Copy of Original Form Name. This naming convention helps you immediately identify which original form this copy is based on. To proceed, just click into this duplicate. From there, you have full control to rename it to something more identifiable or tweak the contents and settings as necessary. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently duplicate forms within Zoho Forms, saving time and effort. This method allows you to build upon existing forms and tailor them for new purposes as needed. It's a useful feature for maintaining consistency across your forms or managing multiple forms with similar structures.